So yours was 120/77. So you see these two pressures, the systolic and diastolic pressure, hizo zote ni functions za roho. So when you hold your heart, breathing in and out. So when you hold your heart, unasikia beat. That beat you hear, so unakishika unasikianga beating. So that beat is the upper pressure. And when your heart is not beating, you're the lower pressure. So the lower pressure, the diastolic, when your heart is relaxing and refilling blood to push through the body. So ya juu ni kupush blood through the body, na ya chini ni ku refill blood.
So what happens when you breathe in?
It has nothing. It has nothing to do with breathing in and out. Ina go up and down.
Blood pressure is that in and out.
In and out. Damu kupelekwa kwa mwili na kurelax. So when your blood pressure is too high, it means your blood is being pumped through the body.
What the average?
120/80. So 120/80.
The best here is
120/80. But
you start going up or down.
Yeah, other doctors they say 135/85, which is still okay. So anything between at your age,
yeah, una repeat. Mtu akiona ni kama una round 10.
Yeah, so when at your age, 135/85 is very okay and down. So when we get 140, 150/90, there's something wrong. There's something wrong. 50. Yeah, it's good. His blood pressure is very normal. I find even 30-year-olds with very bad pressure. I see you're taking care of your body. So you continue like that, and you'll be okay.
Pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure meeting you, man. Yeah, Timo. Yeah, this is what I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
You look exactly like